Hello, everyone. It's another beautiful Thursday night, and welcome back to Coffee Chat Season 2, where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. My name is David Noveno, your host for Season 2. Ayan, mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes, we have another special guest for today. Pero syempre, medyo bibitinin ko muna kayo because I would like to thank first our sponsor. Syempre, unang-una na dyan. Ayan, nandito siya ngayon sa kaliwa. Ayan. We'd like to thank Hasinea Aesthetics. Siyempre, if you want to have a beautiful, glowing, and radiant skin, punta na sa pinakamalapit nating branches. We have two branches around Metro Manila. One is in Shaw Boulevard in Mandaluyong City, and another one is in NS Amoranto in Quezon City. For bookings and treatments, please do call them directly at 0929-275-1014 and 0906-208-8183. They are open every days from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Ayan, basta Sinea, glowing skin. And also, we would like to invite everyone to please do like, follow, and subscribe to our official fan pages. Siyempre, from Ignis Novus Artist Management, we have in Facebook and in Instagram. That's Ignis Novus Artist Management. At in TikTok, we have at ignisnovus.official. And of course, syempre, yung ating mother production page. Please do also like, follow, and subscribe to our fan pages for First Son Production. We do have in Facebook and Instagram, that's First Son Production. And of course, if you want to watch more of our educational contents, mga teasers ng ating mga theaters and upcoming events, please do subscribe as well and hit the bell button, syempre, on our YouTube account at First Son Creatives. One more thing, guys, syempre, please do also watch on our live streams. Ayan. That's being showed, syempre, sa ating page in Ignis Novus Artist Management. Syempre, every Mondays, we have Chikahan with Mami Ray. That's at 7 p.m. And then, syempre, every Wednesdays, we have Up Top Download Podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Dion Partido. And syempre, of course, every Thursdays, we have Coffee Chat with the Vendo Veno. So make 7 p.m. a habit. So please do like, subscribe to Ignis Novus Artist Management. Ayan, so mga ka-coffee cakes and ka-coffee mates, as I've mentioned a while ago, we do have a special guest for today. So she is a sales director. Siya lang naman po ay nag-isang sales director. Ayan, sa SM Development Corporation. And she is also a licensed real estate broker and consultant. Let's all please welcome Miss Rosalinda Tabios. Ayan, good evening po, Miss Lynn.
Hello,
Ayan.
David.
Welcome po to Coffee Chat.
Nice
Ayan.
to be here.
Ayan. So before anything else po, Miss Lynn, bumati muna tayo sa ating mga viewers. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat dyan.
Hello.
May mga tao na ba sa comment section, Peter? Tingnan nga natin. Basahin lang natin ng mabilisan kung sino-sino ang nasa comment section. Ayan, syempre unang-una na si Miss Angela Tabios, ang inyong pamangkin. Ayan, magandang gabi sa iyo. Ayan, Caleb Alvarez, ayan, one of our hosts. Good evening. Ayan, hello, magandang gabi po.
Hello. Good
Ayan,
evening. Hello.
good evening. Okay, so to kick this guesting na para sa inyo, madam. Pwede ba naming mahingi yung konting background ninyo? Paano po ba kayo nagsimula as a sales director? Yeah.
Okay. First things first.
Mhm.
I want to introduce myself.
Yan.
Actually, my complete name, Rosalinda Sarmiento Tabios.
Mhm.
You can call me Lynn.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm actually a licensed real estate broker, a licensed real estate consultant. I'm also certified international property specialist by the National Association of Realtor in the USA. And actually, I'm past president of the
Mhm.
Parañaque Las Piñas Alabang Real Estate Board, a real
Wow.
estate organization, where I am blessed to be awarded as best president last year by the national board, which is the
Mhm.
Philippine Association of Real Estate Board. And beyond those roles, actually, I can say I'm a mentor,
Mhm.
an advocate of Real Estate Service Act, the law that governs the real estate industry. And I'm into mentoring brokers
Mhm.
and to expand their local and international business.
Oh.
So how do
Mhm.
I start with SMDC?
Mhm.
Actually, I started 2011 when I was invited by a friend to join her team. And with that, sabi ko nga, ano lang eh, sige, I'll try. Kasi
Mhm.
I don't want to be tied with any developer since I
Mhm.
started as a broker. No? So, pero the experience that I gained from being with SMDC, actually, ang dami mong natutunan, not only in selling,
Mhm.
especially on how to navigate, expand my network from local to international.
Right. Mhm.
So, until now, yung subok, until now, I'm still with SMDC.
At nagtuloy-tuloy
At
na po
tuloy-tuloy,
siya. Ayan,
oo.
di ba? It's like roughly around 10 years na
More
mahigit.
than
Di ba
10
po?
years,
Ayan.
oo.
So, before anything else, nakalimutan ko sabihin, syempre may drinks tayo dito. Ayan.
Oh,
So,
yeah, yeah.
chill-chill lang po tayo dito.
Sige,
You could
sige.
take a
Yep.
coffee,
Okay, okay.
whenever you like it. Ayan, para
Sige.
relax-relax lang
Tama-tama.
tayo dyan.
Coffee drinker kami.
Okay, so balikan po natin, no? You've mentioned nag-start kayo ng 2011,
Yeah.
right? Paano po yun? Like, nag-start ba kayo as a broker muna before kayo nag-step up to promotions? Or
Mhm.
paano po ba nagsimula lahat? Yan.
Okay. Actually, ang career ko in real estate, hindi naman sa SMBC talaga when I
Mhm.
started being a broker.
Mhm.
Before freelance ako, selling different properties ng different developers.
Mhm.
And then, pagpasok ng 2008, nauso na to si condominium,
Mhm.
which is yun ang forte
Yes.
ng SMBC.
Correct. Mhm.
So, yun nga, sabi ko, I was invited by a friend to join her team.
Mm.
Kasi, while freelance, nag-ano na kami, tawag dito, nag-international sales. Pero it's more on pleasure and business. Unlike yung talagang naka-on board ka in one developer, like yun nga, sa SMDC, talagang purely ang dami mong matututunan when you navigate the international. So, doon ako nag-start sa SMDC as an
Oh.
international sales manager.
Sales manager.
And then yun,
Yan.
the years, I was promoted sales director. I'm
Wow.
actually handling, last year, I'm handling both the international and the
Mhm.
local brokers.
Yan. At talagang marami pong no, kumbaga yung career path natin, meron talaga.
Yeah.
Pero Miss Lynn, gusto kong malaman, no, and para sa ating mga viewers as well, at meron bang requirements or ano ba yung kailangan na ma-reach, kunwari ako, mag-a-apply ako, o
Mm-mm.
gusto kong itry yung ganitong industry.
Mm-mm.
Meron ba tayong mga requirements or may kailangan ba na certifications na
Ah,
dapat ang isang applicant ay meron para maging considered sila as, state brokers? Yan.
okay. So, ganito yan, Before, marami
Mhm.
nang nagbebenta.
Hmm.
But because of this law, the Real Estate Service Act, RA 9646, or
Mhm.
kung naririnig mo, RESA,
Mhm.
it was signed into law 2009. Imagine
Oh.
mo, 2009. Hindi pa rin talaga siya very well implemented. Okay?
Hmm.
Pero, unlike 10 years ago, ngayon talagang medyo may ngipin na siya. Kasi,
Mhm.
tanong mo, paano ba? First, kung hindi ka licensed broker, actually you can still sell, but you need to partner with a licensed broker. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Si salesperson has a minimum requirement ngayon. So we call the unlicensed yung salesperson but partner with a broker. Okay?
Mm.
Meron pa rin siyang minimum requirements. Unlike before, kahit sino na lang
Mm.
pwede. So ano yung minimum requirements? Na, of course, at least finished siya ng second year or gain 72 units in college.
Mhm.
Okay? So, kaya marami ngayon, actually, yung mga iba na hindi hindi sila nag-take ng BS Real Estate Management kasi that's the course if you want to
Yes.
pursue licensure exam, no? Yung
Mm.
maging licensed ka, I mean, as a licensed broker. Um, 4-year course yun,
Mhm.
parang engineering, Parang kailangan ka after the course na mag-graduate ka, you take the board
The board
exam.
exam,
Oo.
yes.
Pag hindi ka pumasa, hindi ka pwedeng magsabing broker ka.
Oh,
Pag di ka
okay.
pumasa, take ulit
Mhm.
until na makuha mo yung license. But it won't stop you from practicing. Kasi
Oh,
pag nakagraduate ka na and you're just waiting for your license, ang kailangan mo ngayon is to be registered as salesperson.
salesperson
So,
naman. Mhm.
hanap ka ngayon ng broker na trusted mo kasi partner mo na siya in this
Mhm.
business. You cannot practice on your own.
Yes.
Lagi yan with the supervision of a licensed broker.
Maliban po dun sa like for example, ako gusto kong mag-start as a broker, kaya lang wala akong license. And you've mentioned kailangan may partner ka na may license, di ba?
Mm-mm.
For you to perform the duties, di
Mm-mm.
ba? Pero ano po ba ang difference kung halimbawa ko may license ako tapos ikaw nag-start ka na wala ka pang license?
Ah,
Is there a big difference pagdating sa ano yung pwede at hindi pwedeng gawin?
Okay. As I mentioned, meron na tayong batas.
Mhm.
So before you practice, you need to be either a licensed broker or magre-register ka sa PRC
Sa
pa din
PRC,
yon
yeah.
as
Mhm.
a registered salesperson.
Mhm.
Pero sabi ko nga, under the supervision of a broker.
Mhm.
Okay. So, big difference, licensed broker ka at sa mga nagpo-practice na hindi lisensyado, of
Mhm.
course, una doon, nagbabayad ka ng lisensya. Siya hindi.
Yes, of
So,
course.
papayag
Mhm.
ka, magkakaroon ka ng parte ng
Aha.
mga, tawag na namin doon, colorum eh. So, kailangan talaga ngayon, if you decide to practice I want to sell property,
Mhm.
ito yung direction mo. Una, mag-aaral ka as BS REM, BS Real
Mhm.
Estate Management. This is a course, 4-year course
Yes.
ngayon. Almost, ang dami ng schools na nag-offer nito.
Nag-offer, yes.
Oo,
Marami na nga.
yeah.
Mhm.
Tapos kung ikaw naman second courser na, 'di ba? Ipapa-evaluate mo lang instead of getting it 4 years, sometimes 2 taon lang eh. Depende doon sa course mo,
Okay.
depende sa evaluation nila sa school. So,
Mhm.
pag 2 years, take it.
Mhm.
After di 2 na yung kurso mo.
Wow.
'Di ba?
Di
Tapos
ba?
take the board exam. Tapos sabi ko nga, hindi naman lahat pinapalad makapasad agad, 'di ba?
Mhm.
But sabi ko, it won't stop you from practicing. You can
Exactly.
start as long as may partner broker ka to
Mhm.
guide you, no? To mentor you on how to start the selling.
Mhm. Missy, may tanong ako. Ito very curious kasi ako dito kasi marami akong friends na gusto ring pumasok with
Okay.
this industry. Kaya lang, natatakot silang mag-try kasi parang, ay, computation yun eh. Marami computation, math. Is it really very important sa isang course ng broker no, na kailangan marunong kang I know, kasi kailangan talaga yun, di ba? So, you're going to sell properties. But is it really necessary for you to be super na kailangan magaling ka sa math pag sa ganitong industry?
Hindi naman natin kailangan yung mga calculus dito, algebra, basic. Kasi
Basic.
you need to know
Mhm.
how much the price. Ano
Okay.
yung kailangan idagdag na tax? Ano yung kailangan mong down payment?
Mhm.
So the balance, kailangan ko ba to i-loan sa bank?
Aha.
Then the bank will will give you the monthly amortization. So the basic na addition, subtraction,
Correct.
diba?
Tsaka
So,
ano yan eh, di ba may parang progression pa yan, ilan yung babayaran mo monthly,
yeah,
mga
it will be
ganyan.
provided by the bank kapag
Yun.
in-apply mo yun sa So,
Mhm.
pero it's better you understand ano yung composition ng yun, yung
Mm.
computation na yun. Like sa bangko, when they give you the breakdown,
Mhm.
ano ba yung portion ng principal na binabayaran mong loan? Ano ba
Mhm.
yung portion ng interest? So,
Yes.
better, maganda lang din na meron kang understanding nun. But
Mhm.
sabi ko nga, hindi mo kailangan maging master in calculus, algebra dito.
Exactly. So basic, guys
Yeah.
basic math lang daw
Basic.
to. At syempre, kailangan nating intindihin yung mga terms na ginagamit kasi di ba may mga lump sum, may mga ganyang
Yeah.
terms eh.
You will
Right?
learn that kasi
Mhm.
tuturo naman,
Yun.
i-mentor naman kayo,
Nice.
iti-training kayo.
At narinig ko, Miss Lynn, kanina, di ba pinag-uusapan natin off-cam, yung about dun sa, ano nga ito, yung parang nagme-mentorship na kayo for real estates. Yan. Can you tell us more about it po, Miss Lynn?
Okay. So, yung mga viewers nyo, I'm inviting them. Baka interested kayo, no? Our team, actually, we're open to anyone who would like to learn selling real estate. So, mentoring, yung team ko.
You
Just,
know?
let us know. Anytime. Ilan man kayo po, we are willing to accommodate you.
Ayan, guys. So, sa narinig nyo mismo kay Miss Lynn, ha? So, later, Miss Lynn, we'll be giving you time para i-drop natin yung mga, kung saan namin kayo pwedeng i-contact.
Okay, okay.
Yan. Para at least, for those who are willing to try this kind of industry, yan, you can contact Miss Lynn directly and her team. Ayan, basahin nga
Yes.
natin. Tignan natin, may mga comments po tayo. Ayan, syempre, hindi papahuli si Peter Charles. Ayan, magandang gabi. Good evening, Peter. Ayan, Rose
Oh, my
Tobias.
sister.
Ayan. Good evening po. Ayan, nakikisister po ako. Magandang gabi po. Ayan, Gail. Ayan, syempre Gail. Hi, magandang gabi. So tagal na po. Ayan, sabi ni Blight. Yeah, from Romy Tobias. Good evening daw po. Watching here in Brunei. Wow. Darussalam. Did I
Yeah.
pronounce it correctly?
Yeah.
Ayan. Matthew Ducosina yan. Magandang gabi. Good evening while watching for Angkas to accept. Macho po is one of my staff. So, papunta siya ng office right now. Ay, mag-ingat ka. Ayan. Mami Ray. Ayan. Good evening. Hello po, Mami Ray. Good evening. Good evening na to your guest. Good evening po. Hearts. Ayan. Ang daming comments. Gabi. Ayan. Hearts po. Ayan. May question po si Sir Chris. Ayan, Sir
Mm-mm.
Chris. So, what are the preventive measures done by real estate companies in regulating moonlighting? Uy.
Moonlighting. So you're referring to the developer ba? Oo, kasi yung moonlighting is used by the developer, no? Like for example, I'm with SMDC.
Mhm.
Then they caught me offering other
Other
developers.
developers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So sa amin sa SMDC, we have code of ethics. We're
Mhm.
following strictly the code of ethics. So dito naka ano yan from the minor offense, major to severe offense. So
Mhm.
moonlighting is a severe offense sa amin. Of course, you're being supported by the company tapos iba yung
Yes, mag-endorse
nagsa-sideline.
ka ng iba,
Yeah,
right?
oo. So automatic yon termination ng ano. So
Oh,
how are we
mhm.
doing that? Of course, the office has their own monitoring. Kasi
Mhm.
syempre, we're all on board, di ba?
Yes.
So, ngayon, ang ating one of the channel is Facebook, di ba?
Mhm.
Online. So, ang dali mong mahuli.
Yes.
Yan. So,
So, tsaka syempre, 'di ba, if you're on a certain company, 'di ba, I
mm-mm.
think it's just ethical. Is that the right term? Ethical, ayan.
Mm.
Karapat dapat lang naman na syempre if you're being kasi syempre may support 'yan 'di ba?
Yes, yes.
Binibigyan ka ng support from that company that you are currently employed of. So, syempre, it's been ethical lang din siguro na endorse mo if your company
Yeah.
itself, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Ayan.
Tama yan. Ethics.
Ethics. Ayan, Charles Leon. Hello, Charles. Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Janet P. Garcia, Lights, Camera, Action. Action! Ayan, Miss Janet. Ayan. Good evening. Ayan. What is the most memorable? Ito, one of my question actually, lumabas from one of our commenters. Ayan, si Sir Chris. Ayan, what is the most memorable sales deal you got in the entire career? Anong hindi nyo pong makakalimutan na na-close deal ninyo?
Okay. Meron tayong time, ito yung time na yung nandito yung mga Chinese, no? Pogo. So, marami sila. So, memorable time because that year, magkasunod, no? Year 1, we hit 800 million sales for the year.
Wow!
Then followed by a 1 billion sales.
Wow!
So, yun hindi ko makakalimutan.
Mhm.
So, pero yun nangyari because we have the right partner.
Mhm.
Brokers.
Correct.
It's not naman
Mhm.
personal sales mo di ba?
Exactly.
So,
yes.
it's through a network,
Mhm.
di ba? So, kaya napaka-importante dito for us to succeed in this industry, no, sa
Mhm.
real estate. We really need to connect.
Yes.
Non-stop, connection, collaboration.
Yes. Kasi syempre, kailangan mo talagang you have to give your, alam mo yun, contacts mo, contacts nito.
Yes.
Kasi at the end of the day, it's still a business,
Yeah.
right?
Oo.
And kailangan mo talaga ng connection. It's very, very important na meron kang
Correct.
connection.
Connection.
Yan.
And you
Kasi,
know that,
mhm.
sorry i-share ko lang. Kasi ang
Sige
galing
po.
nitong, yung connection namin na to, who brings
Mhm.
us this sales na to, no? We met in one of the convention. She's Filipina, pero
Mhm.
nag-meet kami in Korea
Mhm.
para lang, because we attended both the convention.
Convention. Okay.
From that time, lumagpas pa yung 2 years on continuous meeting,
Mhm.
no? Na hi, hello, gano'n, yung
Mhm.
updates,
Mhm.
until saka lang pumutok. Ibig
Wow.
sabihin, not exactly on the time na nag-network kayo,
Mhm.
meron na agad opportunities.
Exactly.
Oo,
Kasi
so,
it's really like investment din yan eh, di ba?
yes.
You have to invest time, you have
Ayan.
to invest relationship with people. Not
Yes.
not the relationship na ano ha. Relationship, syempre, as a business partners,
Correct.
ganyan. Marami ka talagang invest. At for everyone who are trying to start, hindi siya snap of a finger.
Correct.
Di ba? Kailangan mo talaga siyang i-work on.
Correct.
Yeah,
Totoo yan.
and I think it's not only in this industry, sa lahat naman ng industry po, di ba, Miss Lynn?
Yeah.
Ganon siya.
Mm.
Mhm. And then, Miss Lynn, this is just a curious question, no? Nag-pop up lang siya. Actually, kanina, nung magkausap tayo, di ba? Kasi there was like an issue na, well, hindi naman siya issue, but it's more like of parang call out na nababasa natin sa mga social media na because of the POGO na
Mm.
nangyari, na parang ang daming vacancies in terms of condominiums right now.
Okay.
'Di ba? So, ano pong stand niyo po doon?
Mm-mm. Actually, they're saying no, nag-collapse na yung market.
Mhm.
Actually, for us in the real estate,
Mhm.
actually, hindi siya collapse.
Mhm.
It's just that because of this presence ng Pogo and then suddenly,
Mhm.
nawala, di ba? Biglang
Mhm.
nawala sila. So parang ang market lang, like the rental specifically,
Yes.
yun yung naapektuhan,
Mhm.
asa bottom ngayon eh. Di
Mhm.
ba? But sasabihin natin, collapse, sasabihin natin, so hindi na maganda mag-invest.
Mhm.
This is the right time actually, the right entry point. Di ba?
Exactly.
Kasi
Yes.
down ng market, down ng price.
Mhm.
So if you have a lot as an investor, this is the right time. This
Para
is the right entry
mag-invest.
point. Di ba?
Correct.
Kasi ang forecast natin, coming 26, 27, nag-start na actually ngayon,
Mhm.
nag-start na to, hindi nga lang ganun pa kabilis.
Yes.
But it's moving up.
And it's a good opportunity for everyone, lalo na kung if you have funds naman, right?
Yes, yes.
Invest it right now kasi
Mm-mm.
habang mababa pa yung market
Yes.
natin. Kasi sooner or later, sabi nga ng sinabi ni Miss Lynn, no, tumataas yan. Pa konti-konti for now,
Mm-mm.
siguro. But darating, here comes a time na talagang magbo-boom ulit yan. It's really like a cycle po, no, Miss Lynn?
And hindi lang siya cycle actually. When it comes sa property, yung rents up
Mm.
and down,
Mm.
but the appreciation,
It's
only in the Philippines,
Mhm.
it's always going up.
going
So
up.
kahit saan pa location ng property na binili mo.
Mm.
Kaya sabi nga natin, dapat wag lang all in banks,
Yes.
'di ba? I-diversify mo yung investment
Mhm.
mo. And one is na medyo natatakot ang mga kababayan natin is to
Mhm.
invest in property.
Mhm.
So, kaya nga diyan lumabas yung mga financial education, financial
Exactly.
literacy education,
Mhm.
talk, 'di ba? So,
Exactly.
doon natuturuan natin.
Yan. Ang dami nating natututunan for today, di ba? So, ikakat ko muna ng konti, Miss
Okay.
Lee. Kasi ang dami pang comments na nandito sa ating comment section. Yan, basahin natin. From Fiona Gill, ayan. Good evening po sa inyo. Ayan. Ma'am Marie has a question. So, sabi niya rito, if a lot of forced closure hit the market, will that bring down home values? I think ito yung question natin
Mm-mm,
kanina, no?
mm-mm,
It was already answered.
mm-mm.
Ayan. So, Angela, may question dito. Share about your experience during the pandemic as a realtor working abroad. Ayan, ayan. Magandang topic to kasi syempre, everything was down during the pandemic, right? Yun. Kamusta naman po sa side ninyo, sa side ng real estate during the pandemic? Ano po ang nangyari?
Okay. You know, naabot kami ng lockdown
Mhm.
in Oman.
Oh, okay.
Actually, week before, last week of February
Mhm.
2020,
Mhm.
meron kaming schedule Oman and then Bahrain. So I'm
Mhm.
supposed to stay 1 week lang sa Oman, then transfer to Bahrain.
Mhm.
Kasi we're team,
Yes.
naghahati-hati kami ng ano.
Mhm.
So what happened, paglabas pa lang namin nung last week of February, ano na, sa eroplano, may mga news na
Mhm.
sa Dubai, close na yung border, may mga
Mm.
ganun na. Tapos pagdating namin sa airport, ang dami na pumasok ng mga messages at may mga kwan na baka daw mag-lockdown, ganun. So,
Mhm.
wala namang nangyari kasi February pa, di ba?
Yes,
So,
Feb pa
okay.
lang. Mhm.
Pagdating namin dun sa Oman, ang ganda ng turnout for 2 weeks. Kasi March 15,
Mhm.
when the President Duterte declared yung lockdown,
Lockdown.
walang lalabas.
Aha.
Di ba?
Aha.
Hindi namin na-experience how it is in the Philippines
Mhm.
sa Oman.
Sa
Kasi doon
Oman.
kami na-lock.
Oh,
So,
okay.
before March 15, ang ganda pa ng aming activities.
Mhm.
Continue. Kasi before you leave, ito yung sa work namin, no? We need to prepare
Right.
for the activities daily yan.
Mhm.
Hindi yan yung pagdating mo doon saka ka palang hindi. Talagang nakalatag na yan. Kaya
Yes.
pagdating doon, okay pa. So nung nag-stop, stop din kami.
Oh.
What happened to you here in the Philippines na walang lalabas,
Mhm.
na talagang kung ano ba yung ginawa nyo dito, ganon. Imagine nyo yung ang layo namin sa Pilipinas, di ba?
It's really total stop talaga.
Yes. Pero,
Mhm.
you know what SMDC did to us? Oh, walang lumalabas, walang biyahe, walang
Mhm.
ano. They tawag dito, they told us to learn digital.
Wow. Yes.
Binigyan nila kami ng support to
Mhm.
do digitalization.
Mhm.
And kaya naman kahit during pandemic, naging consistent yung sales.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kasi everybody nasa nga, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So, magandang experience na andun ka pa rin.
Mhm.
Ang pagiging resilient mo, not only because may pagbabago doon sa ating situation, hindi ka pwede lumabas, pero can you imagine, sabi ko nga, we are 9 hours away sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Alam mo, yung prayer ko noon time na yon is makauwi naman akong hindi ashes.
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba, pag pumasok
Tama.
during that time, pag pumasok ka sa hospital, lalabas ka daw ashes na.
Ashes.
So, pero ang daming experiences and
Mhm.
it still connect with our work, 'di ba? Following the pandemic,
Mhm.
the following year, ako naman I'm stuck in Dubai.
Yes.
So, kasi hindi ka naman titigil because this is the line of your work.
Exactly.
'Di ba? And yung mga boss namin hindi tumitigil eh,
Yes.
'di ba? So,
And siguro po Miss Lynn, one thing na na-realize ko even though ang laki or ang lawak ng impact during the pandemic sa atin, and we're talking about COVID-19, right?
mhm.
Meron ding mga magagandang sides na
Yeah.
naidulot yun. So, syempre, unang-una, mga self-realization, so ganyan. But technically, the digitalization
Yes.
diyan talaga nagsimulang mag-boom, di ba? Kasi, hey, bawal lumabas, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas, bawal ang skin-to-skin contact, and so on and so on. So, wala tayong other outputs but rather digitals 'di ba? And I think doon din naging open sa tao more ang digitalizations at including mga automations,
Mm.
ganyan. Pinilit talaga nating magkaroon ng learnings during the pandemic. And I think the digitalization is one of those important learnings that we have during the pandemic
Yes. Even kami, we're not using Zoom before.
Mhm.
Puro yan lalabas agad. Puro
Yes.
schedule,
Face-to-face.
face to face.
Mhm.
Because of this pandemic, ayan na. Even nandito kami continuously, we're
Mhm.
closing a deal through Zoom,
Right.
nakakapag activity
Mhm.
through Zoom, virtual open house, ang dami mo nang nagagawa. At
Mhm.
yun nga, ang daming opportunities lalo kasi you can close deals
Yes.
kahit na malayo. As
Do-
long as you know what to do.
What to do. Doon natin nalaman po, no, ang dami palang alternatives. It's not only face-to-face.
Yeah.
Kasi before 2019 yan di ba? Before 2019 yan, ang alam lang natin kapag if you want to build the relationship with your contacts, kailangan face-to-face.
Face-to-face, yes.
Diba? Para ma-explain ng maayos, kailangan face-to-face.
Correct.
But doon natin na-realize, hey, pwede pala natin gawin through online meetings, di ba? Mga
Yeah.
videos. Kasi like for example, Miss Lino, kwento ko lang, dito sa industry naman na live entertainment, no?
Mm-mm.
Dito kasi dati ang mga casting sa mga VTRs, it's really face to face. But
Aha.
right now, pwede na mga videos.
Videos.
Yan,
Oh.
online meetings, di ba? So, it's really, ang dami talaga. Ang daming nag-open ng opportunity. Well, yes, maraming nag-close, pero
Mm-mm.
ang dami ring nag-open ng opportunities at the same time.
Yes.
Yan. Yan, tingnan nga natin, may comment pa rito. Ito. Interesting po itong question ni Mami Ray. What skills do you feel are most important for an estate agent job?
Mhm. Communication skill is number one.
Yun.
Mm-mm. Negotiation skill.
Mhm.
Ayan. So, yung dalawa lang muna na yan, hindi mo kailangang kung ano pang kwan. Yan muna.
Mhm.
Kasi communication skills, not all of us are into like yung maraming gustong kinakausap,
Yes.
maraming ayaw ko ng tao. Di ba? Medyo choosy. Di ba?
Yes.
Pag gusto mo dito sa profession na to, sa career na to, dapat open ka.
Yes,
Di ba?
exactly.
Kaya napaka-importante ng communication skills. Negotiation skill, you know how to communicate, pero syempre, kailangan mo aralin yon. Hindi naman puro
Mhm.
lang kwento.
Mhm.
Di ba?
Mhm.
Meron ka rin syempre kailangan matutunan strategy. Di
Mhm.
ba?
Meron ba kayong encounter like for sure, marami na po kayong clients na nakausap, 'di ba? Pero meron ba kayong na-experience na client na, "Uy, wait lang, hindi tayo nagkakasundo sa pinag-uusapan natin." May mga ganong experiences po ba? And paano niyo po hinandle yung mga ganong kliyente?
Actually, maraming ganun.
Mhm.
Mm-mm. Marami different tawag dito, types of clients,
Mhm.
different attitude,
Attitudes,
character,
personality, ganyan.
personality. So, it's dapat ready ka.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Sabi nga, kung ang kaharap mo class A, change your hat, class A ka.
Mhm.
Pagkaharap mo class D or E,
Mhm.
you change your hat, 'di
Mhm.
ba? So, sabi nga nila, like some comments from my team, mas mahirap daw i-deal yung class D and E.
Mhm.
Kasi mas mahirap silang, anong tawag mo dito, ma-please,
Mhm.
di ba? Kasi talaga, saan ang gagaling yon? Kasi ito talaga hard-earned money.
Yes,
Di
correct.
ba?
Mhm.
They always feel, baka niloloko mo ko.
Yes.
Baka ini-scam mo ko.
Yes.
Di ba? So, ang daming mga ganon.
Mhm.
Pero how we handle it, of course, listening.
Mhm.
Listening because you don't want to respond. Because
Mhm.
you listen because you want to understand.
Yes.
Doon ka manggaling
Mhm.
para ma-feel mo siya.
Ang galing, no? It's really kapag communication po talaga ang usapan natin, unang-una talaga is you have to listen.
Listen.
Yun din ang natutunan ko pero all throughout my journey. Kailangan talaga matuto kang makinig.
Makinig.
Kasi hindi mo siya ma-handle na maayos kung ang ibibigay mo lang parati yung alam mo, alam
Yeah.
ko, eto dapat ganon.
Pero
Mhm.
listening, sabi ko nga kanina, you listen because
Mhm.
you want to respond.
Mhm.
You listen because you want to understand.
Understand.
Meron
Uh-huh.
kasing ganon eh.
Mhm.
You're listening, pero hinihintay mo lang siyang matapos kasi ready ka na sa sagot mo eh.
Isasagot mo.
Ganon, di ba?
Yes.
So kaya sabi ko, listen and understand.
Mhm. Correct. Kailangan mo talagang intindihin kasi you have to adjust right?
Yes.
Hindi naman pare-parehas ang market natin. What I'm thinking is, yung nga sabi ni Miss Lynn, no, may class A kasi, may class B.
Yeah.
And we're talking about, it's not to degrade anyone
Yeah.
or to level up, to give classification on each of the person. But rather kasi, meron kasing way of tamang, kumbaga kung paano mo siya i-approach ng tama. And unfortunately, kasi lumalabas yan sa classing, di ba? Kailangan
Yung
i-category.
classifications naman natin yon is more on the income levels.
Yes,
Not
correct.
really to the person eh.
Yes, correct. And gaya ng sabi ninyo, siguro I would understand din yung mga Class D and Class E
Yeah.
na kung bakit ang daming question. Kasi
Yeah.
kahit naman ako hello, pinaghirapan ko kaya
Correct.
yan. Di ba?
Totoo.
Tingnan nga natin, we have another comment here from Sir Chris. So sabi niya rito, can you tell us about story of generosity of your clients and the company in how they are returning the good service and good product you are offering? Ay, ang gandang question po nito, madam. Di ba? Kasi syempre, at the end of the day, it's business, di ba? So managing kasi you have to balance both the benefits and the what's being requested or kung ano yung kailangan ng business, right?
Mm.
But this is a good question. Ano daw po ba ang naibabalik sa atin ng company?
Sa atin,
Mhm.
to us as the seller of the company,
Mhm.
aside of course, bago ka pa nga nagpakitang gilas, may full support na sila. So that's
Yes.
one
Mhm.
thing na we're very thankful with our company. With the more na nagbibigay ka sa kanila ng business,
Mhm.
inaalagaan ka talaga nila.
Exactly.
Oo. So they pamper you with a lot of incentives,
Oh.
uh, trainings,
Mhm.
'di ba? Para yung more development pa ng ating mga salespeople. Pagdating din not only to us, no?
Mhm.
Even to the clients, even
Yes.
to our partners,
Right.
talagang they're extending yung some
Mhm.
incentives, mga benefits to the client naman, may mga freebies,
Mhm.
promos, ganun. So, they're open kasi nga,
Mhm.
that's part of yung game ng business,
Yes.
'di ba?
Mhm.
Maraming competitor. If they won't be doing that, mahuhuli kami.
Mhm.
Baka wala na kaming benta.
Yes. So, tsaka sabi nga nila, di ba, if you're really going to take care of your people, the people will take
Will take.
care of your business.
Yes,
Yan.
yes,
Kaya, napakaganda talaga ng isang company is maraming benefits
yes.
for the benefit of your people, of course. Kasi, at the long run, ibabalik nila yun sa'yo sa
Yeah.
business mo. Right? Ayan. Yan, Miss Lynn, may question naman ako. Ang haba, di ba, with all of your journey, now
Mm-mm.
with real estate, no, let's say, sabihin na natin, 15 years in average.
Mm-mm.
No, ano ang pinakamahirap or the hardest struggle that you have encountered in this industry?
Mhm. Actually, I'm more than 2 decades in
Mhm.
real estate.
20 na, mahigit.
Sa SMDC yung almost 15.
Mhm.
Um, Pinakamahirap, actually yung ano nga no, yung pagiging volatile ng market. Kasi we
Oh.
need to adjust often. Pag
Mhm.
ikaw yung tipong, sabi ko nga, muna ito, katulad nung, when I started, it's really more on house and lot.
Mhm.
Affordable housing ang talagang boom.
Mhm.
Although may mga high-end properties na, di ba?
Mhm.
So, biglang, condominiums. Pumasok ng 2006, nag-start
Yes.
na, puro condominiums na. Ako pa naman, during those times, ako yung, ayoko ng condominiums Ako yung meron na agad objection, teka muna, I'll be buying the space. Wala
Mhm.
akong lupa, di ba? So, yun yung mga, may mga challenges na
Yes.
na-encounter namin. Pero,
Mhm.
at the end of the day, dumarating yan
Mhm.
We need to keep on learning,
Mhm.
i-adjust mo, adapt, and
Mhm.
embrace all these changes na
Changes.
nangyayari.
Alam mo, Miss Lynn, very curious ako dyan kasi parating sinasabi yan ng mom ko.
Mm-mm.
Before ako lumipat kasi ng here in Metro Manila, taga Nueva Ecija po kasi
Okay.
tubong probinsyano So sabi niya, parating sinasabi sa akin, alam mo na kung bibili ka ng property, invest sa house, kasi may lupa versus condominium. Pero sa inyo po ba, Miss Lynn, ano bang mas maia-advise ninyo? Would you rather get a condominium, lalo na sa BC area ng Metro Manila, or rather strict to the tradition na bahay at lupa?
Actually, first, ang dapat natin malaman, ano
Mhm.
ba yung purpose nung client buying the property?
Oh, yeah.
That's the
Okay.
main
Mhm.
Hindi lang como selling I'm selling the condominium ngayon,
Mhm.
i-offer ko na sa'yo condominium,
Mhm.
'di ba? So, ano yung purpose in buying? Ano yung motivation niya in buying
Mhm.
the property? Is it for their own family, 'di ba? Kasi
Mhm.
for the longest time nangungupahan pala,
Yes.
'di ba?
Mhm.
Or I want space closer to my work kasi ang laki
Mhm.
ng itong work na to, hindi ko pwedeng iwan kasi
Mhm.
talagang ang laki ng nito sa akin. So I'd
Yes.
rather kaysa yung hindi ako nakaka-cope up sa time ko, 'di ba? So
Mhm.
kailangan muna natin alamin 'yon, yung motivation, yung purpose in buying. That's the time you can offer the right
Mhm.
property, the right location, and the right price.
Yes. So talagang you have to consider first, ano ba yung gusto ni client, 'di ba? Hindi
At
ibig
kailangan niya.
yes, at need ni client,
Mm.
'di ba? Siyempre kung halimbawa you're working here in Metro naman, no, and you opt to choose condominium kasi malapit nga naman like for example BGC,
Yeah.
Ayan, sa Taguig, sa
Yes,
Pasig, 'di ba? You
yes.
go for condominiums and such. 'Di ba? Parang iwas din na sa traffic.
Yeah.
Ayan. Pero, is there any time po, 'di ba, we've started with a different company, then here we go SMDC,
Mm-mm.
punta na tayo abroad,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? And there's a lot of things that already happened, nag-pandemic and all. Pero sa inyo po, Miss Lynn, 'di ba, you've mentioned a while ago yung pinaka hindi ninyo makakalimutan na deal is yung ang laki ng value nung na-close ng team ninyo. Pero what was the
Mm-mm.
worst experience naman that you have encountered so far?
Worst, parang I'm not dwelling kasi so much on the
Mhm.
worst.
Mhm.
Always on the positive side.
Positive,
Oo,
yes,
'di ba?
correct. Mhm.
Kasi 'pag meron mang may time na, "Teka muna, bakit 1 week na 'tong month na 'to wala pa
Mhm.
tayong benta?"
Mhm.
We're not dwelling so much on that. We're actually meeting ano magandang gawin, 'di ba, yung
Mhm.
gano'n. So, pero, ah, worst I can say yung pagka-lockdown ko lang.
Okay.
Away from my family na I
Kasi
don't know kung
siyempre naman,
makakauwi
'di
pa
ba?
ako. So far, that's the
Oo.
worst.
So, siyempre naman, 'di ba, ang layo nun, Oman, eh, versus Philippines, 'di ba?
Correct.
At walang airport, at walang
Close.
gumagalaw, lahat,
Oh.
everything is closed, 'di ba? And then, usually naman po, 'di ba, sa isang team, for
Oo.
sure, meron at merong mga nagiging problems insides, 'di ba? Sa inyo po as a leader, paano niyo po mina-manage yung mga ganitong conflicts,
Mm,
inside a team?
mm. Okay. Actually, ako kasi, I sabi ko nga, I'm
Mhm.
into listening.
Mhm.
Oo. So, hindi ako basta, for example, I have sub-teams kasi,
Yes.
okay. Hindi ako basta naniniwala doon sa sasabihin ng isa. I want
Mhm.
kasi talaga yung teamwork eh. So,
Yes,
I make
correct.
it a
Mhm.
point na walang inggitan,
Mhm.
walang nakakaramdam na iba yung treatment ko dito, iba yung treatment ko doon. So, pag may nakikita akong ganon, I make sure na mawala ko yun sa feelings niya.
Mhm.
I'm talking to the person.
Yun. Totoo naman yan,
Oo,
really.
hindi
Kasi
maiwasan eh, di ba?
kailangan mo talagang kausapin eh.
Correct.
At yung connotation ng favoritism,
Hindi nawawala.
XXX talaga yan
Yes.
dapat, di ba? Ayan, tina-timeran tayo, 15 minutes na
Oh,
lang daw po. Ang bilis ng
ang
oras,
bilis
Miss
ng
Lynn.
oras.
Di ba? Sige, tingnan niya natin. Meron pa ba tayong comments on our comment section? Ayan. Wow, saan countries ka na daw po nag-work ng mga clients pa ninyo? Sabi ni Angela.
Hindi ko naiisa-isahin ang Asia, Middle East, of course. We went to Bahrain, Dubai,
Mhm.
Oman, and of course, US and Australia. We've been there. New
Wow!
Zealand. New Zealand.
Ang daming
Oo.
countries, no?
So,
Mhm.
na-top namin yung mga markets na yan.
Markets. No? And ito yung sinasabi na we're having business trips eh. You are having also pleasures. Di
When
ba?
we were still freelance.
Oh,
Oo.
okay. Right now, ano
Pero
na?
with
Mhm.
SMDC, talaga sabi ko nga sa'yo, if we need to go to US for 30 days,
Mhm.
all ano yan,
Wow!
naka-itinerary yan.
All expense.
Yeah, but you need to sell the
Yes.
equivalent quota.
Of course, kailangan syempre, it's still business
Yeah.
related, right? 'Di ba? Ayan. Now, eto naman po, curious lang po ako. Kasi syempre, meron tayong mga viewers right now that they
Okay.
wanted to also learn. 'Di
Okay.
ba? Anong advice po yung maibibigay nyo sa kanila, especially those who are starting their career in this
Mm-mm.
kind of industry?
Okay. Um, Simple lang. Follow your follow your passion with integrity.
Wow.
Very simple, 'di ba? So, the road to success is not easy. May
Mhm.
mga sacrifices 'yan.
Mhm.
But through hard work, determination, definitely kasunod na yun, yung success. Lalo na kung naka-align yung iyong services
Mhm.
sa yung goal mo to the services to others, and real success will really happen.
Wow, napakaganda, no? You
Passion.
really, and I think it's applicable to all.
Yeah.
You have to follow your passion with integrity.
Mm.
Kasi mahirap yung kukuha ka ng isang trabaho na hindi ka buo
Mm.
at hindi ka sure kung alin ang tama at mali. So
Mm.
it's very important as well for you as a person na dapat meron kang moral values,
Yes.
core values at all para alam mo kung saan ka
Hindi
pupunta.
hindi lang peso value lagi.
Yes, correct. Naku, yung flood control. Hindi, joke lang. Baka mapolitika tayo. Joke lang po. Peace, peace tayo. Love, love. Ayun. Now, ito naman po,
Okay.
Ms. Lynn. This is just a theoretical question. No? For example, bibigyan tayo ng chance na bumalik in time. And
Mhm.
mamimit mo yung younger self mo. Ano pong gusto niyo sabihin sa kanya?
Aha. Be brave.
Wow.
Don't fear failure.
mm.
So, your voice matters. So, keep going, no? One day, hindi mo lang natulungan ng family mo. You help more people.
Wow.
That's my 10-year-old self.
So you have to be brave. Ang
Yes.
ganda po noon, no? Kasi lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan sa buhay and everything, but we have to be strong.
Yeah.
Wala tayong option eh.
Correct.
We have to really strong to battle kung ano man yung daily life natin na nakakasalamuha.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Laban
Correct.
lang.
Laban lang.
Keep fighting. Ayan. Sige. We're actually down with the last 10 minutes of our program. Ang
Ang
bilis,
bilis.
no? Di ba po? Ayan. So, before we totally end, of course, I would like to give time as well. Now,
Mm-mm.
Miss Lane, saan ka ba namin pwedeng kontakin? Meron ba kayong mga upcoming events, gigs? Saan po ba
Ah.
namin kayo pwedeng panoorin? Ayan, I'm giving the floor to you for your social media accounts as well kung mga gigs po natin and events
Okay.
upcoming.
First, can I give my number? 0917-532-5413. As I've mentioned kanina, those who would like to learn real estate selling, our team is, you're very much welcome to our team. Just contact me doon sa binigay kong number. And actually, on Saturday, this Saturday, we will be in Pampanga. So, kung meron mang nanonood na mga licensed broker dyan, please join us sa Pampanga in Mabalacat, Cheerful Homes, no? So, ano pa? Yun, what we really wanted is gusto talaga naming makatulong to more, lalo na mga young generations, no?
Exactly.
Who are very much into like social media. Alam ko malaki ang potentials nila to earn in this industry. So we're welcoming you sa aming team.
Ayan, of course, syempre. Lalo na, guys, this is an opportunity. Right? Opportunity yung binibigay sa atin ni Miss Lynn. Right? So if you want guys to try this kind of industry, maybe it's also the time for us to try to reach out and explore other things. Okay? May mga additional questions ba dito, Miss Lynn? Basahin po natin, ha? So, from Miss Marjeline Patricia Montales.
Wow.
Hi, Miss Lynn, watching from Oman. Wow, may mga international
Hello.
viewers tayo. Hello po sa inyo. Ayan, from Miss Rose, some are hesitant to buy condo units because stability of the structure is up to 50 years only. Actually, naririnig ko to, Miss Lynn. Ano bang ibig sabihin nitong 50 years na stability na to? And is it true?
Okay. It's not actually the stability, no? Na-associate kasi yung 50 years. Ang condominium kasi, all condominium projects are run by a condominium corporation. Corporation life, 50 years. So, doon siya na-associate. Di ba?
Okay.
So, kailan lang ba nawawala? Actually, ang isang condominium project can be declared condemned. Lalo na pag may mga earthquakes tayo at nabisita siya ng engineering, no, city engineering, at sinabi nila, oops, hindi na siya inhabitable. So even less than 50 years, it can happen na hindi na pwedeng gamitin.
Yes.
'Di ba? So hindi siya yung lifespan, no?
Right.
So lalo na pag ang medyo mamahalin yung property na binili mo,
Yes.
'di ba? Like in Makati. more than 50 years na yung ano dyan, di ba? Yung mga
Mhm.
ibang
Structures,
towers,
yes.
oo, di ba?
Mhm.
So, although in Ayala, I think hindi naman ako mali, no?
Aha.
In Ayala, kung makikita nyo, almost nagbago na yung mga towers. Kasi
Yes.
ang kanila lang ang kanila lang agreement dyan, 50 years. So they
Mhm.
have to rebuild a modern,
Mhm.
structure.
Exactly.
Oo.
And I don't think din naman na condominiums are really those, alam mo yun, unstable,
Mm.
quote and quote, no? Kasi everything could happen din naman kahit naman sa bahay at lupa eh.
Actually,
Di
ang
ba?
sabi ko nga dyan, Deb,
Mhm.
ngayon I feel safer in a condominium because they
Mhm.
are built base doon sa earthquake di ba?
Right.
Unlike yung mga
Mhm.
houses natin, yung mga malalaking bahay diyan na
Yes.
hindi naman yan built na maging earthquake
Earthquake proof.
oh.
Right.
Like yung mga
Mhm.
buildings in Makati, may belt pa nga daw di
Yes.
ba?
May mga
So,
balls pa
I
and
feel
belts.
more safer in a condominium ngayon.
Exactly, right. Mhm. So talagang ano yung technology kasi natin is really revolving, no? Unlike sa traditional na bahay nakabaon sa lupa, yung paano pag gumalaw yung lupa, 'di ba? So
Mm.
exactly the question is yung 50 years. I don't think na it would only apply with condominiums,
Mm.
no?
Mm.
Itong sinasabi na lifespan na quote and quote, which is I don't also agree,
Mm.
no? Hindi lang siya for condominiums, it would also apply sa mga traditional na bahay,
Yeah.
right? So,
Lalo na yung sorry if I may
mhm,
add, no? May mga projects na yung mga affordable, 'di ba? Nakikita
mhm,
natin mga mass housing.
yes,
They are built yung single story. Tapos
mhm,
bigla niyong makikita three-story na.
mhm,
Ang foundation nun is only for single
for
story.
single story,
So,
yes,
sila ba nung itinayo nila, they protect the foundation.
mhm,
So, ayun yung mga mga risk.
exactly. Yan, and those are considerations kapag mga towers, mga condo, di
Yes.
ba? And sabi ko nga, technology it evolves. 'Di ba? So dati kung hindi kaya ang 5.0 na magnitude, ngayon
Um,
meron ng technologies to
yes.
handle. Meron nga ako nabasa actually, napanood ko kanina yung levitation something na parang they are using magnets na for control ng earthquakes. Yeah,
Mm.
so nadaanan ko lang yan kanina sa pag scroll diyan tayo mahilig eh. Okay, ayan may humabol pang comments. Let's see. Tignan natin yung last two comments that we have. Oh, may question pala si Sir Chris. So sabi niya, what words of encouragement you can share to agents who are losing hope due to lack of sales that sometimes 2 months na wala pa ring benta? Very common po ito, no, Miss Lynn?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Kasi marami tayong marami pumapasok sa mga developers particular
Mhm.
without any experience because they're thinking employment,
Mhm.
no? So, may mali na agad doon sa kanilang purpose di
Yes.
ba? Sabi nga, the support that the developers are giving these sellers are for mobilization.
Mhm.
Not the same na yung mga sweldo na take home mo,
Right.
di ba? So, mobilization, you have to use it well para din sa advantage mo. Okay. Words of encouragement. Kung 2 months na, usually meron dyan, more than 2 months pa, wala pa rin talagang benta.
Mhm.
Dapat i-evaluate niya yung sarili niya. Tama ba yung ginagawa kong process? Because there's a sales process. Sabi ko nga, if you want to start selling, yung sales process lang ang i-master mo. Okay? So, yung iyong determination na matuto dito sa process and then look for somebody who will mentor you.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Kasi kahit na umabot ka ng 6 months, hindi mo ina-address yung problem mo, yung kulang sa'yo,
Mhm.
wala pa rin. You will be frustrated pa din.
Yes.
And you will blame yourself pa pag
Mhm.
nagkataon, 'di ba? So, yun. Look for your mentor.
Mhm.
Call us.
Ayan. Di ba, gusto ko yun, Miss Lina. Medyo na-segue natin yan. Pero totoo, actually, you have to find the right mentor. Kasi yan yung parati kong sinasabi with my staff din eh.
Mm-mm.
You have to find your correct mentor kasi if
Yeah.
yung mentor mo eh sinasabi na, I win, nanalo ko sa ganito, but at the end of the day, wala palang result.
Correct.
Kanino ko makikinig? Doon sa taong may resulta or doon sa taong medyo, well, sige, sumasabit-sabit from time to time pero hindi siya stable. 'Di ba? So, kailangan mo talagang piliin kung sino yung
Yung
tamang
right.
taong na magtuturo sa iyo. So,
Yes.
call Miss Lynn. Ayan. Miss Lynn, sorry. Ano nga ulit yung number ninyo? I-plug natin ulit para
Okay.
we could contact you.
Zero
Ayan.
nine one seven
Mhm.
532 5413. You can also check my Facebook, Rosalinda Tabios.
Ah, yan. Si Miss Rosalinda Tabios. Alright. Peter, sorry, meron pa atang last two comments a while ago. Ayan. Question pa. Okay. Habol natin. Sige, Mami Ray, go. How do you handle a difficult client or challenging situations during a transaction?
Okay, yun
Mhm.
nga sabi ko, listening.
Mhm.
Napaka-importante. You listen, ano ba yung gusto niyang concern?
Oo.
Kasi 'pag hindi natin siya pinakinggan at we are always on a defensive side lagi na
Mm.
ready lang tayo kasi, "Uy, tinitira nito yung company ko. Uy, ano ganito, gano'n." So,
Mm.
listen first, ano yung concern niya? And then that's the time, ikaw mismo maiintindihan mo what you need to respond sa
Mm.
kanila. And magiging
Correct.
proper yung response mo at magiging ano ba siya, appreciative siya doon. Kasi
Yes.
hindi mo sinabayan yung pagrarant niya.
Exactly. Yun ang mahalaga. Kasi, again, kung sinabayan mo siya, baka lalo kayong mag-away. Hindi kayo
Correct,
magkasundo, di ba?
correct.
Ayan. So, during your management careers, is there a scenario that the agents fought against the leads and how do you handle this agawan ng client? Quote and quote, agawan ng client.
Actually, wala naman kaming ganyan.
Mhm.
Kasi meron kaming system of client ownership and we know
Mhm.
that. So, si office na nga actually ang
Ang
nagde-determine nun.
nagbibigay.
Oo,
Oo.
nagde-determine nun because nakaset naman yung rules. So,
Mhm.
yun ang maganda kapag kumbaga may Bible ka na eh. Alam mo
Yes.
na agad, sinong mali, ito tama,
Aha.
gano'n. Oh, so, wala na. Tanggap na namin yun,
Mhm.
kung ano man ang verdict nila.
Correct. At maganda yon kasi it's already been dictated. Ito na talaga yung sa'yo. Ito
Yes.
dapat yung susundan mo and so on and so on. So sabi ni Angela, convenience rin po sa near ng malls, leisure with full gym. Yes. Near universities and working areas, less traffic. Correct.
Yes.
Yan. Ang sarap kayang gumising nung 5 minutes before your shift. Bihis ka na lang, tapos pasok ka katabi lang ng mga residents mo, di ba?
Oo.
Yan. SMDC condos have locations for students, working people na like in Sun Residences versus condos in Makati. Ayun. Hehe. Ayun. So, meron pa ba tayong comments, Peter? Baka meron pa tayong na-skip. Wala na? Okay. Sige. Miss Lynn, again, before we totally end, I want you to plug your numbers. O, talagang sinusuportahan ko to. Plug your numbers and your social medias kung saan po namin kayo pwedeng i-contact. Ayan.
Okay, again, you can call me anytime in this industry sa
Mhm.
real estate. Natuto na ako 24/7. Hindi man
Yes.
kita masagot today, I'll definitely answer you tomorrow or the the the,
Mhm.
the next time na makita ko na agad yung message
Exactly.
mo or yung call mo. 0917-532-5413. And then you can check my Facebook,
Mhm.
Rosalinda Tabios.
Yan, Miss Rosalinda Tabios. Okay?
Ayun.
So, maraming salamat, Miss Rosalinda. It's been, ang tagal nung usapan natin at ang dami natin na pag-usapan, which is actually parang ang singa ng
Ay,
oras
sino?
Di ba? Parang kulang.
Oo.
Yeah, but before we totally end for today, again, guys, we would like to thank our sponsor, Hesenia Aesthetic Clinic. So, if you want to have a beautiful, glowing, and radiant skin, punta na sa pinakamalapit nilang branches. So, ang ating addresses are flashing on the screen. You can directly contact them. They are open every day from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And of course, we would like to invite everyone to please do like, subscribe, and follow with our official fan pages for Ignis Novus Artist Management. We have in Facebook and in Instagram, that's Ignis Novus Artist Management. And in TikTok, we have at ignisnovus.official. And of course, for First Son Production naman, we do have Facebook and Instagram pages at First Son Production. And if you want to watch more of our educational contents at mga teasers ng aming mga upcoming films, theaters, and corporate events, you could also subscribe to our YouTube channel on First Son Creatives. And of course, for our live streams, which are being aired every 7 p.m. sa ating fan page, Ignis Novus Artist Management. Unang-una na dyan, every Monday, Chikahan with Mami Ray. And every Wednesdays naman, we have Up Top, Down Low podcast. And of course, every Thursdays, coffee chat with the Ven Noveno. So make 7 p.m. a habit, guys, with Ignis Novos Artist Management. And of course, yours truly, please do follow as well. And, follow on my, nabulol pa si Daven. Please do follow on my social media account, syempre, on Facebook and in Instagram. No, in Facebook at saka TikTok, it's the Ven Noveno. And in Instagram, it's King underscore Mo underscore ako. Ayan. So guys, maraming maraming salamat for one another full hour that you have stayed with us. And hopefully marami tayong natutunan today, especially in the industry of real estate. Ayan. So gaya nga na parati namin sinasabi guys, you have to, in order for you to taste life, you have to taste and drink like a coffee. So ayan guys, see you again next week. Next same day, same time. Ano ba nangyayari? Closing na nga, di ba? Na, joke lang. Yan, see you again next week, guys. Same day, same time. Maraming salamat and have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Bye-bye!